Jason Williams claims a small AI stock is set to soar over 5,000%, but he won't reveal the company's name unless you pay him nearly $2,000. However, he left enough clues in his presentation to figure it out, and in this video, I reveal the stock for free. If you appreciate me saving you $2,000, drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, everything in this video is protected under fair use laws. I'm not disclosing any proprietary or paid information in this video. I am simply analyzing free and publicly available sales presentations and using the clues in these presentations to infer the stock. These sales presentations are not intended for paying customers and are freely distributed via email. Let's look at some of Jason's recent public stock picks to determine whether he's trustworthy before doing anything. Back in May 2022, Jason recommended Energy Vault Holdings, claiming it would be the future of energy. However, the stock has tanked since his recommendation. Jason claimed Eat Well would be the next food giant in August 2022, but the stock fizzled out quickly after. Williams recommended Ormat Technologies in June 2024, but that's down as well. In July 2024, Jason recommended a confusing investment which involved buying tokens in a gold reserve. The stock was Great Eagle Gold, and it's been volatile, but in the end is break even. In September 2024, Williams recommended Newfound Gold, and that quickly plummeted as well. Let's shift back to Williams' latest teaser and try to figure out the stock he's pitching. Here's the headline of this presentation. Underground bull market continues to stun Wall Street. Will you get left behind? While most people are sitting in cash or buying blue chips, a select group of small cap tech stocks have shocked everyone, soaring as high as 700% in only a month. It's just the beginning as big tech targets one tiny under $5 AI stock and launches a 5,300% near-term surge. Much of this teaser is dedicated to the growth of AI and how big it will be. We all know this by now, so we'll just skip over this part of the presentation. Next, Jason declares the following. One firm is making a critical upgrade to this AI technology, and it's already trading for just under $5 a share. According to Williams, this company has already carved out an important niche in AI. He says, but its specialty isn't any old artificial intelligence. It's a pioneer in an AI niche that's becoming critical to 94% of corporations, one that's projected to be in 9 in 10 cars by 2028. Already critical to the workflow of 80% of hospitals, and is center stage in 1.6 million restaurants nationwide. That's why Microsoft actually invested $20 billion in this AI specialty, more than it did in ChatGPT or any other AI tech. And Williams drops more clues, saying, 94% of corporations expect to use this form of AI in the future. It's already driving 80% of hospital workflow, and taking orders in thousands of fast food restaurants, with a stunning 98% accuracy rate, which is why it's being deployed in 80% of all new Chipotle Mexican grills, for example. And that, in India, for example, nearly 30% of online search queries are now done with this tech. Then Williams claims this company combines the intelligence, ease, and accuracy of ChatGPT with human-like voice understanding and response. I'm talking about conversational AI. And no, I don't mean Alexa, Siri, or Google Voice. And says this new conversational AI is leaps and bounds ahead of these. Jason even explains how this tech works and says, this new approach processes information as you're speaking, just like humans do, speaks and understands 25 different languages, including dialects, accents, and informal slang, understands compound and complex questions, understands context, time, place, and people, allows for dynamic conversations and changes, remembers answers to your past requests or questions, answers at lightning speed beyond human capabilities, and secures your data instead of selling it to advertisers. I'm going to reveal my guess for the stock in about 20 seconds, but before I do that, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out AlphaPix. I reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and AlphaPix performs the best and actually beats the market easily. If you click the link in the description, you get $50 off AlphaPix. So go ahead and click that link and take advantage of this amazing deal. I'm sure a lot of you guessed the stock by now, and the company being pitched here is SoundHound, ticker SOUN. Jason must have created this presentation in the fall because the stock is no longer $5 and is instead almost $14. He didn't seem to update it, despite just emailing it to me yesterday. SoundHound is a voice AI company specializing in speech recognition and natural language processing. It provides voice assistant solutions for businesses across industries like automotive, hospitality, and customer service. Its Houndify platform allows companies to integrate voice AI into their products without relying on big tech companies like Google or Amazon. SoundHound also has a music recognition app that identifies songs by humming or playing audio. The company aims to capitalize on the growing demand for AI-driven voice assistants in various sectors. Here's everything you need to know about this company, and after I'll tell you if I'd buy. First is massive revenue growth potential. SoundHound has forecasted an impressive revenue increase, aiming to more than double from 2024 to 2025, targeting between $155 million and $175 million. This growth is driven by their expanding customer base and strategic acquisitions like Amelia. Second is NVIDIA's vote of confidence. NVIDIA's investment in SoundHound back in 2024 was a significant endorsement, causing the stock to soar. This partnership not only validates SoundHound's technology, but also opens doors to potential collaborations with other tech giants. Third is high valuation concerns. Despite the growth, SoundHound's stock is trading at a sky-high valuation, with a forward PS ratio that outstrips even profitable AI peers like NVIDIA. This could mean the stock is overvalued, posing a risk if growth doesn't meet expectations. Fourth is the backlog bonanza. With a backlog exceeding $1 billion, SoundHound shows a strong pipeline of future revenue. This backlog, consisting of long-term contracts, suggests a stable revenue stream in the coming years. Fifth is profitability on the horizon. SoundHound is not profitable yet, but management has set sights on achieving positive earnings by the end of 2025. If they hit this mark, it could signal a turning point for the company's financial health. Sixth is market volatility alert. The stock has experienced significant volatility, with a massive 835.8% increase in 2024, followed by a sharp decline in early 2025. This indicates a high-risk investment, potentially influenced by both meme stock enthusiasm and market sentiment. Seventh is expanding market applications. SoundHound isn't just about voice recognition. They're expanding into sectors like automotive and restaurant automation, showing versatility in their AI tech application. This diversification could be a key growth driver. Eighth is dilution risk from new offerings. A recent $500 million securities offering could lead to stock dilution, which might negatively impact the share price if not matched by proportional growth in business operations. Ninth is competition in the AI space. While SoundHound has carved a niche, the AI voice recognition market is getting crowded with big players like Amazon and Google. Staying ahead requires continuous innovation and strategic partnerships. 10th is analyst sentiment. Analysts have a mix of opinions, from strong buy to hold, reflecting uncertainty. The average price target suggests potential downside, which investors should consider in their evaluation. As far as I'm concerned, this stock is a hold at its current levels. It has been recommended by several stock pickers over the past year and was one of the big winners during the AI mania in the stock market. The last time I recommended this stock was back in September when it was around $5, and it went up as much as 400%. Although it has pulled back slightly since then, it's still up about 250% since September. If you're still holding after all these gains, it might be worth staying in for the long run. However, I wouldn't blame anyone for taking profits and selling. And make sure to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks. This is the best stock picking service, and clicking the link saves you $50 on this awesome service. So go ahead and check out Alpha Picks now and put yourself in the best position to win with stocks.